How does an experimental drug's mechanism of action get explained? Imagine trying to understand how a new medicine works in your body. When patients join clinical trials and ask about the drug, the explanation usually starts with the term mechanism of action. This phrase describes exactly how the drug produces its effects. It answers the question, how does this medicine interact with your body to help treat your illness? Most drugs work by attaching to specific parts of your cells called receptors. Think of receptors as locks on the surface of cells. The drug acts like a key that fits into these locks. When the key fits, it either activates the lock or blocks it. If it activates the receptor, the drug is called an agonist. If it blocks the receptor, it is called an antagonist. This interaction changes how the cell behaves, which can reduce symptoms or slow down disease growth. Some drugs work by affecting enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in your body. Certain medicines block enzymes to change the levels of specific substances. For example, some medications for depression work by blocking enzymes that break down brain chemicals, helping to boost mood. Not all drugs work by binding to receptors or enzymes. Some, like laxatives or antacids, work through physical or chemical actions. Laxatives pull water into the intestines, and antacids neutralize stomach acid. These actions help relieving symptoms without targeting specific cells or proteins. During a clinical trial, researchers explain the drug's mechanism of action to help patients understand what the medicine is designed to do. This helps set realistic expectations about how the drug might help and what effects it could have. Knowing how the drug works also helps patients recognize why certain side effects happen, since side effects often relate to the way the drug interacts with the body's systems. In simple terms, explaining an experimental drug's mechanism of action involves describing what part of the body the drug targets, like receptors or enzymes, and how this interaction leads to the desired effect. This explanation helps patients understand what the drug is meant to do, how it might help, and what to watch for during treatment. It makes the journey through the trial clearer and more understandable, giving patients confidence in their treatment plan.